Want to bake the best carrot cake ever? Are you freaking out about making a carrot cake from scratch? Don't sweat it, we've got you covered. First, grab 2 cups of grated carrots. No, they're not just for bunnies. Grate them up, watch those fingers. Now mix together 2 cups of flour, 1 and 1/2 cups of sugar, 1 and 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, and a pinch of cinnamon. Trust me, it smells heavenly already. Next up, 4 eggs and 1 cup of oil. Whisk them like you're in a cooking show. Mix it all together and add the grated carrots and 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Feel like a pro yet? Pop that batter into a greased pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Patience, my friend, patience. While that bakes, let's make frosting. Cream together 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and a splash of vanilla. Mix till smooth. It's okay to taste test, chef's privilege. Once your cake is cool, frost away. Decorate with extra carrot shavings, nuts, or even some chopped walnuts if you're feeling fancy. Boom. You've just made a carrot cake that'll wow everyone at the party. Enjoy your masterpiece. You're basically a baking legend now. Now that you've baked the best carrot cake ever, let's take it up a notch with some creative decorating ideas. First up, the classic touch, extra carrot shavings. Simply use a peeler to create thin, curly strips of fresh carrot. Arrange them in a spiral or a fun pattern on top of your frosting. It adds a pop of color and a hint of crunch. Feeling nutty? Sprinkle a generous handful of chopped walnuts around the edges. Not only do they look gorgeous, but they also add a delightful texture. Want to make it extra special? Try using edible flowers. They bring a burst of color and elegance to your cake. Just make sure they're safe to eat. For a more whimsical touch, use small fondant carrots. You can easily shape them with your hands and add a tiny bit of green icing for the leaves. Place them evenly around the cake or create a little carrot patch on top. And if you want to go all out, why not try a carrot cake drip? Melt some white chocolate, tint it with orange food coloring, and let it drip down the sides of your cake. It looks professional and tastes divine. Remember, decorating is all about expressing your creativity and having fun. So don't be afraid to experiment and make your carrot cake uniquely yours. Now let's take a moment to admire your masterpiece. Show it off to your friends and family. They won't believe you made it yourself. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and creative baking tips. Happy baking! Please like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.